Tested. 2022 Hyundai Tucson 2.5L is dazzling but slow. Please support us by pressing the like button and subscribe so that this channel will grow and provide many benefits for you. Thank you. Following several months of record-setting sales in the United States, we imagine the vibe at Hyundai's American headquarters is pretty celebratory. After all, the Korean brand is currently churning out compelling and distinctive new or updated models at a rapid pace, with the redesigned 2022 Hyundai Tucson the latest example of its impressive execution and edgy designs. Despite the outgoing Tucson's dowdy looks, that compact crossover was Hyundai's best-selling model worldwide. Its replacement builds on that momentum by continuing to lead the company's U.S. sales, suggesting the comparatively bold appearance of the latest model is enticing more customers than it's offending. Admittedly, we were skeptical after our first peek at its radical designs, jutting surfaces and sharp edges. Thankfully, the new Tucson is prettier in person than it is in photos. During our time with a range-topping limited model, we regularly found ourselves admiring its dazzling daytime running lights, which are disguised by the grille's mirror-like surface and create a futuristic face when lit. The Tucson's extroverted exterior is complemented by an elegant interior that's particularly posh on the limited trim. Fancy flourishes such as ambient lighting, leather-trimmed seats, and chic fabric on the upper dash and doors are standard, and Hyundai's terrific fit and finish could fool some Genesis or Lexus owners. The Tucson Limited also brings model-exclusive features, including a unique center console layout with a push-button shifter and a piano black center stack housing a 10.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. We just wish the touch-sensitive climate controls featured some haptic feedback or distinguishing indentations, which would make them easier to activate without taking your eyes off the road. Lower-level SE and SEL models make do with an 8.0-inch touchscreen yet feature pleasingly tactile volume and tuning switches and knobs for the heating and cooling system. As with some other Hyundai models, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability are included, although the latter oddly requires a wired connection with the larger of the two touchscreens. Along with slightly taller and wider dimensions, the new Tucson is 6.1 inches longer from stem to stern, 182.3 inches overall, and boasts an extra 3.4 inches between its axles, most of which translates to its 41.3 inches of rear seat legroom. For context, that makes the Hyundai's rear seat space roomier than the similarly sized Honda CR-Vs and the longer Volkswagen Tiguans. Even with a panoramic sunroof, the Tucson's back seat feels huge and will accommodate 2 adults on long road trips. Too bad the top-tier Limited lacks a third climate-controlled zone, though, which is something even the new Mitsubishi Outlander offers. Still, the Tucson's growth spurt adds 7 cubic feet of cargo volume behind its 60/40th split folding second-row bench for a total of 39 cubes. Folding the back seat flat almost doubles the available storage area to 80 cubic feet, 18 more than its predecessor. Again, the Tucson trumps the CR-V and Tiguan in both measurements.
My head is heavy, let me lay it down. Into your lap I would love to drown. I need that story I used to hear, to run on and to end disappear. I won't lie down and I won't, I won't lie down, and I can't do this without you. I close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.